Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com and today we are going to talk about Sony MDR XB950B1 Extra Bass Wireless Headphones. These are the latest version of the Extra Bass headphones by Sony. There was a previous model also and this one is the latest one. On the left hand side we have the power button, the Extra Bass button. The material used is quite soft and comfortable for extended periods of usage. And what I found about this device was that it does have good connectivity options. You get connectivity via Bluetooth. You have the volume rocker, call receive and track change button on the right hand side. It can also connect via NFC to your devices, and you also have an aux input feature. The top of this has a stainless steel design and I feel that it's quite sturdy. It can be accommodated to your head size and that's something that I personally like. These headphones would be available in black as well as blue colors. There's also a dedicated Headphones Connect app by Sony which helps to optimize bass and the 4 surround sound effects available. This one also supports 3.5mm auxiliary input and the cable is included in the box itself. The headphones also have inbuilt microphones, so it's good. There are right and left markers on both of the sides to make it easy for you to find which one is which. And the headphones run without their own power when you have connected them via the 3.5mm cord to your device, which can be a smartphone or a laptop or any other device. And apart from that, if you are using it via Bluetooth, then you can connect it to any supported Bluetooth device. One notable thing is that the bass boost function only works when the headphones are on. Otherwise, you can hear them even while connected via 3.5mm jack, but you have to turn on the headphones in order to use the bass boost function. The claimed battery life by Sony is 10 hours. I got around 8.5 hours on medium to high volume, and that's something which is respectable battery life, and I personally feel that for a Bluetooth wireless headphone this is quite good. The headphones have 40mm neodymium drivers and I feel that for any bass lover these are really good. For casual listeners they are okay without the bass boost function, but if you are a bass lover, you love heavy bass music, EDM music, then these headphones are definitely for you. For a price of 13,990 rupees, these headphones offer you decent battery life, the build is good and I feel that the sound quality is good. Personally, I like more balanced sound, and for that you can always turn off the bass boost function. One thing that I disliked was that the bass boost is non-controllable, which means that you can't adjust the intensity of the bass boost, but still it is a good feature to have for anyone who is a bass lover. So guys, who should buy the XB950B1 headphones? These are meant for serious bass lovers. These are not meant for anybody who is looking for really balanced sound profile, because they are a little bit bass heavy. But for anyone who likes the deep and low end, these are the headphones for you. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews like this. This is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com. Signing off folks, stay inspired to rise.